It's 4th of July 2026. Time is 5:35 p.m. and I am going back home. I yesterday recorded a video in the morning when I was going to my college. Not my college, but the college I am allotted to get admission for BSc. And I went there, I took admission, then I went to my grandmother's house. So I stayed there at night. Then in the morning I came back and then I was in library from the morning. I didn't went to go home and now I am going home. So my admission have been done. All the process, first step is already clear, everything. Like the admission is done. So I have nothing to worry. Payment is done, application is submitted totally. So it's good. Now let's see when they call us again for the subject selection and all that things. One thing that didn't happen to us, that we don't have any WhatsApp group till now. So I don't know how they are gonna contact us, or how they are gonna tell us that this is the date you have to come to choose subjects. But that will be later. That will be looked at later. What is gonna be done? But the first step is done. Admission is done, and I made my started video, uploaded it today, and made it public. Made it public because I felt like I should do public now. I don't know whether it has views or not till now, but it's been 4 or 5 hours since I uploaded that. Not for 5 hours, yeah, maybe. But I was also feeling sleepy in the library for maybe half an hour, but that's okay because in night I slept at 9:30 p.m. and I was awake by 2 a.m. in the midnight, almost midnight. From 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. I was on the bed just lying, but I was awake because the place was exchanged, so I was not getting sleep in a right way. But it's okay, it passed. Today is gonna be ending. I reached library at the right time. It was around 9. I came from that far. I didn't record it in college anything because I was with a boy. I met, I gave him my number, he gave me his number, and the problem is that the boy took admission in that college, but he doesn't want that college. He is preferring another college over this. So I told him the process to change, and he asked for the number and said, please help me in that, and said, I will. By then we have called two times I think, and in college also we were together. At leaving time I left him to go alone because I had to go somewhere else in the relative's house. So that's the story of yesterday. I must have recorded something, but it's mentally very frustrating or anxiety thing when you are in a government college or in a government school in Bihar. It's very frustrating because the way the process is done, like 200, 300, no, yeah, 300 I can say easily. 200-300 students are coming each day for admission, and there is only 1 or 2% per department for the approval. That's your small window, you have to wait outside. Girls and boys are standing in lines, sometimes breaking the line, sometimes shouting. That's the bad thing that happens, that no system, nothing. The form that we signed and admission form that we submitted was pre-written that I hereby declare that I will give my 75% attendance at any cost, or I will be removed from the exam. That was the case, they want it. And what is the infrastructure? What is the infrastructure that they have to teach? Nothing. But it's okay, because I am there because of my mistakes, and I would have to accept that. Let's see how it goes. But I also found another student who got passed in 10th from CBSC, then 12th from Bihar board, 10th in 2023 and 12th in 2025, and taking admission exactly like me in taking 26 after having a drop. I was like, oh, so there are many people like me. Thank you, have a good day. Let's see, I will be uploading regularly or not. Bye, have a good day.